Introducing TruBind's all-in-one manual comb binding machine, the TB-C12. The fence holds your comb in place when binding. The handle punches your documents and closes your combs. The adjustable depth margin provides 3 depth sizes based on the thickness of your project. The adjustable side margin allows you to line up your holes, and the throat has a punch capacity of 12 sheets of 20-pound paper per punch. First, adjust the depth margin, then lock in the side margin. Slide your documents all the way in and pull down the lever to punch. Drop in your comb with the opening on top, then push the lever forward just enough to open it up. Place your project onto the teeth of your comb, then use a lever to close it. Your project is now complete. For this machine and many other products, visit our one-stop shop, LaminationDepot.com.